going to download an SF123 directly from the GSA, and I'm going to put in the correct number for this particular one. And you have to put in the dashes when you're doing this. So you type in the number here, and then you click on download. And it says download successful, and you can see it's right there on the screen. It's not the one that's highlighted, it's this one here that we had ending in 18. So now we can simply drill down on that particular one, and we see all of the information from the SF123. There's only one line item here. And now we can go ahead and click on the edit button and choose the screener. And these are old dates, of course, in here because I'm using an old one. And the approver, and then of course who actually approved it from the SAS. And then we can go ahead and click save. And so it's as simple as that to download an SF123. And once it's been saved and with all the approvals, you'll notice that you can't do anything with it. It's closed, and it will now show up as property to be received. First of all, scheduled for pickup actually, and then property be received. The other thing we can do while we're here on the SF123s is we can search. If we take away this information and just have the default select there, we can search and see all of the SF123s, and of course a lot of these are old things that were imported and a lot of junk data. But if we go to page 24, for example, these are different pages. We can see, for example, we want to search on this one for 11. Let's say we wanted to search for something on a specific date. We'll choose date up here, and we'll do 11. Oh, it's already there. Okay, I must have done it before. And it'll bring up that particular one, and we can drill down to the details of that one. And similarly, we can do a search by SF123 number if we want to have the patients to put in that number. Let's just try one and we'll see. So 21, I think it's the same one, but 4195. And so when you're searching for the SF123, you actually have to put in the dashes, and yeah, it is the same one. I've been testing it before for demonstrating the searches. So so that's all there is to actually downloading an SF123, and it's very simple. You just need to type in the number that you've been allocated, click on the download, and it'll drag it in there and populate everything in the database.